Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of my channel. As you can see, I'm fully dressed for hiking. I'm wearing this because it's quite cold over here. I'm excited. I really don't know where we are going yet, but I've been given a hint that we are going to hike through villages to see, all sort of species and all sort of plants. And you can tell from around me here is so greeny, and we are going to see a whole lot more. So subscribe if you're new to this channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to share this video and drop your comments in the comment section. Okay, let's go explore this beautiful town. So why are we here? In case you're Lafia.
Let me to Ajia. Here me kwa. When the weather is clear, you can see
Lake Volta.
Lake Volta.
Okay, let's start it. Different villages. Okay.
Kwati and also.
And what?
Kwati.
Kwati.
Kwati village.
Kwati village. Okay. Okay.
Not me. La cabosse, et puis vous récupérez les fèves et vous préparez une pépinière. Au bout de 10 minutes.
I always walk with my leg. Now we are going to the bush.
Bon, sur la gauche, nous avons le replié. Le replié, ça aurait la main. D'autres gousses qui sont plus matures, les lésions cancéreuses, avec les feuilles et les racines de cette dans la graine, et également dans les feuilles, tout comme l'écorce et les racines de l'arbre.
Wow. I learned they use this in making of lipstick. So guys, look behind me. So we are hiking and then getting to know of the plantation around us whilst we go discover another town. Stay tuned. And this is where the town, come and fetch their water. Only there's a bucket here. And then water. Guys, we use rope in fetching this. I didn't know we use stick to hold it this way. And then, you fetch your water, then bring it out.
That's it.
Fetch it. I'll drop the bucket, so let's continue.
Mango tia, ne appuyé pour domino.
Okay.
Donc puis alors elle sera, elle est gazée, elle sera quoi. Like quand je, Haïti et Kobe.
There's a palm nut flower.
Encore on retrouve encore les fougères ici. Je disais que partout quand tu trouves un palmier à huile.
Small stream.
Goro, on va closer.
Okay. Oh.
Entrance.
Donc if you were, you will go to the
Hide of butterflies, but because it's not sunny, there are no butterflies here. I discovered the pineapple. The process, see what happened to me. I fell in this hole. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I forgot that I had a third leg. You know? I just saw a crab over there. Come, see?
Ok, d'accord. Ah, peut-être toi. Donc, tu as vu le bonhomme là. Ok, d'accord.
Roots. Because the elephant is at the end of Look at the roots of that. This tree. Pandanus. Panda. Local, so you're not local here. C'est quoi le nom? Ekpa.
Pas et entremêlé.
Et ton pas d'eau.
Et ton pas l'eau et chaka kudo. Donc, on a fourni ça en anglais depuis les nationalités
You touch it. Nicola tree. It's the seed of how cola nuts looks like. You can't touch it because it belongs to someone.
Hey, elle est moumou. Yo, au Guanabé, poivre vert, green pepper.
Elle est moumoua.
D'accord. Elle est green pepper. Ouais, je vais green. Voilà. Ne, essier, et draïta. Red one is not black.
Pepper.
Guys, can you see the water pond over there, which is used for the fish farming? Yeah. People live here and they practice fish farming over there. There's some small lake in there. Like,
Not even. So the stick is also balanced down your head. Yo, that.
you still not got to anywhere, you know, walking. This is a school right there. Land of clay wall or bricks, yeah, clay bricks and the actual wall. Still walking. Ooh, the small boy carrying water. Oh, it's a girl. Sorry, my bad. Honestly, I like how there are no plastic chairs or wooden chairs here. They've used stones as seats right under here to sit and have a good time. Ooh, we are now about to walk into another forest again. Whoa, another bush. Look at these kids.
Oh. Look at Lorie crossing. And that's the beach. Oh, guys.
Pop, brother.
Oh, big mushrooms. Interesting.
Wow.
All from that place. I can hear the sounds of water. It's just a stream of water passing by. Guys, it's been like 3 hours of walk, talk, of explaining of plant species and all that. Can you hear the sounds of water? I think we are closer. This forest has made me look all scattered and all that. Okay, let's get closer to our destination and see what's in store. We are here. Oh, it's a small waterfall. That's a small waterfall, but beautiful. Waterfall is called Cascade de Kuma Atopli. Such a long name. I think there's another higher, waterfall upstream that it's coming from. I didn't know we were coming here. I would have brought my bikini to, swim in it. You know me. Of the hidden waterfall in Togo. Yes! I wish I knew we were coming here. And I'll take a bikini. And then of course, get closer to the waterfall. We've been hiking non-stop. Just look at that. See, we've hiked all over from there. Now,
Photographer.
we are still walking just to discover a village. Funny, I have to pour water on myself to cool down because it's stressful, but the views are amazing. We are the center of Mount Kloto.
For Mount Kloto to car.
Okay, where the car is parked. Finally, we are here. We've been hiking, and we are still hiking. I'm tired. I'm exhausted already. I just want to sleep. I still want to see that beautiful village, So let's go. From the tarred road to this road to the, village. The street is very huge. So guys, we are halfway through, our journey to Mount Kloto. I'm excited. It's my first time here. I can't wait to see how the village or the mountain looks like. So let's go. They are enjoying themselves. I want to swing. island. This is used to study the weather right here in Lomé. So yeah, the weather forecast. Oh, that sounds climbing me. Where the thing is over there, that's where the mountain is. So we're almost close by. Yeah, we can see people. So yeah, we've done well. Look at the views. How is it going? Are you excited?
I'm excited. I can't wait to see.
Views. See, you can clearly tell where we hiked from all the way there. Ooh, I'm tired. Once you see this, know you're almost there. And we can see the pole. So yes, we are there. Yeah. The view is worth it. I swear. Oh my goodness. You can see all the villages right from here. Hey guys, I finally made it to the mountain, the top of it. Ooh, after God knows how many hours of long walk. Just look at the view behind me. It's so worth it climbing. Now how to descend is also another issue. But I'm sure you out there, if you love hiking, you're definitely going to have a try, right? I know that. So yeah, that's just it. Oh my god, I'm really enjoying the breeze here. It's amazing. The view is also amazing, and to be here to experience this, oh my god, amazing. Woo!
When the weather
There's
is
a
very
line
clear,
here.
you can see Volta region, Lake Volta,
Where?
far away. Lake Volta, far away.
Very far.
Very far, very far.
To be over there somewhere.
On the give me a name.
About Oyonafia
Kloto.
Kloto, because tortoise and mountains.
Mountain.
So Klo
Tortoise.
is for tortoise,
Tortoise.
and the to
To,
is mountain.
Yes.
Okay, so that means, you know, long ago, a lot of tortoises lived here, and that is why they named this place Kloto, which means tortoise mountain. This is so interesting and fascinating.
Sometimes now, sometimes can see one tortoise or two.
Oh, okay.
Early
Not
in
much.
the morning.
Early in the morning.
Early in the morning.
Oh, okay.
morning.
Okay.
After rain,
Oh, okay.
when we arrive, we have lucky. You can see one or two tortoises. No.
Wow.
Yes. But
Wow.
long time ago, there are more.
Plenty of it. And they said because it's quite cloudy and rainy and all that, we both have seen Lake Volta and, you know, parts of Ghana right here. This is amazing. You can see Ghana over there. So if you look closely, there's a castle over there, here. Oh, it's zooming out, there. And that's the biggest mountain in Togo. How is it called? Mountain, Mount Agu. Mount Agu. This is Mount Agu. And that is the town Kpalime. you know, Kpalime town. Wow, I wish I could go there, but there's not enough time. So this is how, you know, yam is being planted. So they are planting a mix of yam and maize right here. It's so cool. We have ended our hike and now we are descending to, you know, to go rest and get something to eat. What I can say is this, you know, is quite similar to climbing Mount Afajato in Ghana, but with Mount Afajato it's quite, you know, steepy and slopey and a lot of, you know, risky stuff. But with this it's more of walking and walking and walking and never reaching. So yeah, that's, you know, that's how I see it. But descending too is very easy, man. I'm descending with ease, and descending makes it the journey shorter. I don't know if you get me. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you definitely take a hike once you visit here. It's worth it. Subscribe, join the family, you know, like and share. See ya.